She's doing it, setting it up. I'm getting ready to sound check in a second, so pray for me, y'all.
Leaving town, baby, leaving town for sure. Well, then you won't be bothering with me hanging around your door. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright now, mama. Anyway, you do. Ooh. Can you clap your hands right here? Come on. Hey. Yeah, dee 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 dee. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Anyway you do. So that's alright now, mama. Anyway you do. You do. Party in the county jail. The prison man was there and they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to swing. You should have heard the knockdown jailbird sing. Let's run, everybody, let's run. Saxophone, little Joe was blowing on. You're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I sure would be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse and rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody that on sale rock. We'll dance to the jailhouse rock. Sad sack sitting on a block of stone. Way over on the corner weeping all alone. The one said, hey buddy, don't you be no square. You can't find a partner, use a wooden chair. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Sounds good. Body and on sale. We'll dance to the jailhouse rock. Shifty Henry said the Bucks for heaven's sake. No one's looking out the chance to make a break. Bugsy turned to Shifty and he said, Nix, Nix, I wanna stick around a while and get my kicks. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody and on sale. We'll dance to the jailhouse rock. Dancing 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 to the jailhouse rock. Oh, they were dancing. Yeah, we're dancing to the jailhouse rock. Oh, yeah. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Allegiant Stadium, for having me. Thank you, Wise Las Vegas, Global Gaming Women. Thank you so much to all the honorees. Congratulations. Now listen, if you make enough noise at the end of this one, I might do one more. Do you want one more, ladies and gentlemen? Or you can do better than that. Do you want one more? Come on. Well, they were dancing. Yeah, they were dancing to the jailhouse rock. Did you have a good time tonight, Las Vegas? Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Did you have a good time tonight, Las Vegas? Well, I want to let all of you ladies know that you're simply the best. Come on and put your hands together. Come on. Hey. We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Can't you see what you're doing to me? Because I love you too much, baby. Oh, we can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't live our dreams suspicious minds. So if an old friend I know, come on, stop by to say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes? Here we go again, asking where I've been. You can see the tears are real, I'm crying. Whoa, we can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't live our dreams with suspicious minds. Call you when I need you, my heart's on fire. Come to me wild and wild. When you come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world full of dreams. Give a lifetime of love like no one in me. And I can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, babe. Come on, y'all sing. Boy, you're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you said. Tear us apart. Oh, I would rather be dead. And you're simply, we're caught in a trap. Come on. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Woo, you're simply the best. Nikki, you're simply the best, girl. You're better than all the rest. You too, candy girl. Better than anyone. Hey, anyone I've ever met. And you're simply, come on, sing it with me. We're caught in a trap. Come on. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Woo! You're simply the best. Hey. Said I love you too much, baby. Oh, you're simply the best. Come on, can you sing it with me, ladies? Hey, you're better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone that I've ever met. To all of the honorees tonight, congratulations. You are here. Celebrate tonight. We celebrate you, wonderful ladies. You are simply the best. Come on, put your hands together. Come on. Woo, come on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. He is true, He is the marching on. You're simply, come on, y'all. Hey, said you're better than all the rest, Nikki girl. Said you're better than anyone, anyone I've ever met. Whoa, you're simply the best. Can you wave your hands, ladies? Come on. Better than all the rest. Oh, better than anyone. His truth is marching on. Woo! Thank you. Stephanie Parker. Make sure you check out my Diva of the Scenes YouTube channel. Thank you so much to Allegiant Stadium. Thank you to Wise Las Vegas. Thank you to Global Gaming Women. A humongous thank you to Bronwyn Gregg, Lauren, Jory. Thank you so much to Samantha with Allegiant and my man Lucas running the sound. Thank you so much. I want to come back. I want to come back. I want to come back. Come on, y'all. Put your hands together. Come on. Hey. Can you sing it with me one more time before I get out of here? To all my ladies. Come on. Hey, hey. You send me the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I've ever met. Oh, yes, you're the best. Thank you, Las Vegas. Good night.